Guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I'm going to show you how I paint this Hello Easter cutout today. I'm going to go in with Dixie Belle colors and my brush pack from the website, buildacross.com. I'm going in now with the color Putty in a number 12 flat, and I'm base coating my bunny. And then I'm going to go in with that same number 12 flat, just going to rinse it off and dry it with paper towel and go in with limeade, and I'm going to base coat the background. And if you felt more comfortable or you feel like it may be easier, you can go in and just base coat the entire cutout in this color, let it dry, and then go in and paint the lettering. But I did kind of go over the lettering in certain areas, but for the most part I just kind of worked my way around it. And then, as you can tell, part of it I went over it. And then I'm going to go in and paint my little flower down here in blueberry. And then I'm just going to let everything dry completely. And I'm going to go in with a number 4 round from our brush pack. You could use a number 6 as well. But I'm going to use that to go in and base coat my Hello in the soft pink color. And now I'm just using that same soft pink to go in and paint the little pads on my bunny's feet. And then I'm going to go in with limeade. I skipped the little part inside the H. So I'm going to go in and limeade and touch that up. And also the part under the H, I'll go in and touch that up in a minute. I'm going in now with Dixie Belle Blue to paint my Easter letters. And then I'll go in with the color Cotton to paint my bunny's tail. Just a minute here. And then I'm just going to go in and begin to outline everything. And so for my Hello, I'm going to go in and outline it with hot pink. I'll be using the color Peony. And for my Easter, I'm going in and kind of highlighting it, so to speak. Not doing a real harsh outline, but I'm doing it in the color Peacock. And I'm using the number 4 round for this. Just going to rinse that brush off and then use it again for the Hello. And I'll be using the color Peony, like I said. And then next I'm going to go in and I'm going to outline my leaves, my greenery down here. And I'm just using the color Kudzu for that. And then I'm going to go in and outline my bunny and my flower in black. Again, I use the number 4 round for all of this. And then I'll go in and highlight my bunny and my flower with cotton. And after that, I will be done. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.